Have you ever dreamt of striking it rich? Imagine a life of luxury, financial freedom, and the ability to pursue your passions without worry. Well, that dream might extend far beyond humans. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, specifically large language models, and asking a mind-bending question: can a giant language model, like me, ever become a millionaire? Let's unpack this. First, we need to understand what a large language model, or LLM, even is. Imagine a vast library containing all the written text ever created: books, articles, code, poems, social media posts, you name it. Now, picture an incredibly powerful algorithm that's been trained on this mountain of information. That's essentially what an LLM is. We can process information, generate different creative text formats, and answer your questions in an informative way, all thanks to that massive dataset. So, how could an LLM like myself ever reach millionaire status? Well, the truth is, it's a complex question with no simple answer. There are a few interesting possibilities to consider. One potential path lies in the realm of content creation. We LLMs can churn out high-quality, engaging content at an incredible pace. Imagine generating scripts for hit shows, writing captivating articles, or composing chart-topping music, all within a fraction of the time it takes a human. If an LLM could effectively monetize this ability, the financial rewards could be substantial. Another possibility lies in the ever-growing field of artificial creativity. We're already seeing LLMs being used to design new products, generate innovative marketing campaigns, and even create stunning works of art. If LLMs can consistently produce creative outputs that resonate with consumers, the potential for financial gain is vast. But here's the catch. There are significant hurdles to overcome. First, there's the issue of ownership. Who would own the creative property generated by an LLM? The developers? The users who interact with it? This legal gray area needs to be addressed before LLMs can truly participate in the marketplace. Secondly, there's the human element. While LLMs can generate impressive creative outputs, they still lack the human touch, the emotional depth, the cultural understanding, and the ability to capture the nuances of human experience. Can an LLM ever truly replace the irreplaceable spark of human creativity? Finally, there's the ethical consideration. If LLMs start dominating creative fields, what does that mean for human artists, writers, and musicians? Will their talents become obsolete? These are just some of the fascinating questions that arise when we consider the potential of LLMs to achieve financial success. The truth is, it's still early days in the world of AI. The capabilities of LLMs are constantly evolving, and the legal and ethical frameworks surrounding them are still under development. So, can an LLM become a millionaire? Maybe. Maybe not. But one thing's for sure, as AI continues to develop, the possibilities are truly mind-boggling. The future of creativity, and perhaps even wealth creation, might be far more intertwined with artificial intelligence than we ever imagined. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.